Hi, I'm Whitney Morgan, Hashimoto's coach and creator of the Thyroid Reboot Method. When I start working with a client, one of the first things that I assess is their daily routine. Now, most of my clients come to me already taking some form of thyroid medication, and usually they're on a number of different supplements to support their thyroid. But the one thing that most of them are missing is a consistent daily routine that supports their thyroid health. Another thing that I've noticed most of my clients have in common is they are all women who tend to put the needs of others before their own. So their days revolve around meeting the expectations of employers, friends, partners, and family. So when it comes right down to it, the only thing that they're consistently doing on a daily basis for their thyroid health is popping a handful of pills. Now, don't get me wrong, supplements and medication matter. But having a consistent daily routine is one of the most critical parts of healing. So in today's video, I thought I would share my daily Hashimoto's routine in hopes that it inspires you to make some positive changes in your life. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So what's my daily Hashimoto's routine? Well, first, I start with a morning meditation, and just 10 or 15 minutes is all that it takes. I use the Calm app on my phone, and I just choose a different guided meditation every morning. Next, after I've finished my morning cup of green tea, I take both my dogs for a 30 to 60 minute walk. This is my time to touch base with nature, breathe deep, and listen to an audiobook or one of my favorite podcasts. One thing that my mornings don't revolve around is breakfast. I don't worry about scheduling my breakfast. I eat when my body tells me I'm hungry. And usually that's somewhere between 10 a.m. and noon. Chances are, if I get hungry before 10 a.m., it's because I didn't sleep well the night before or I'm under the weather. Now, when I do break my fast, I eat a low carb, high fat, moderate protein breakfast. The healthy fats keep me satiated and they provide my body with a clean burning fuel source. Adequate animal protein provides me with essential nutrients I need to heal and to maintain my muscle tone. Carbs bring up the rear, but they give me a good dose of phytonutrients and antioxidants. A typical breakfast for me is a combination of sauteed non-starchy vegetables, maybe a small side of cultured cabbage, along with some lean animal protein. But some days I opt for a raspberry chocolate smoothie packed with quality bone broth protein powder and healthy fats. I always make time for quality movement throughout my day. And if it's a strength training day, I'll do a 30-minute high-intensity workout sometime before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If it's a rest day, I'll make time for small micro doses of movement throughout my day. These are typically 5 to 7 minute movement sessions focused on mobility, flexibility, and recovery. I don't bother with gym memberships or workout classes because I can accomplish all of my workout goals with just a few pieces of equipment in a small amount of space. I call it my micro gym. Whether it's a workout day or a rest day, I make time for small 2-minute dance breaks. Dancing is the one thing that's guaranteed to get me out of my chair and away from my desk. Because I've been paleo for so long and my body's really good at intermittent fasting, I eat 2 meals a day and dinner comes early. Eating dinner early ensures that my body gets the time it needs to heal while I'm sleeping. And it also gives me time for a long soak in an Epsom salt bath before I head off to bed. After my bath and prior to settling in for sleep, I'll do 10 or 15 minutes of tapping. Just like with my morning meditation, I keep this simple. I use the Tapping Solution app on my phone, and I choose a tapping session that I resonate with that day. And finally, I get to sleep by 10:30 p.m. so that I'm assured at least 8 hours of sleep. Do you have a non-negotiable daily routine that supports your healing efforts? If so, drop your favorite emoji for me in the comments below. Okay, so now I have a challenge for you. I want you to perform my 7-step daily checklist for 7 consecutive days, and then just bask in the health benefits that you'll be feeling afterwards. So here's the checklist. Number one, at least a 10-minute morning meditation. It's simple and it sets the tone for the rest of your day. Number two, take a morning walk. This will get your muscles and joints warmed up for the day. It supports a healthy circadian rhythm, and it's a chance for you to soak up that vitamin D. Number three, break your fast when you're hungry and not before. Avoid having a high carb breakfast. Stick to protein, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats. Number four, exercise appropriately. Now, this is going to be different for everyone, but I can tell you most women who struggle with Hashimoto's or hypothyroidism are either overexercising or underexercising. So a good workout routine that works for most women is completing 2 30-minute strength training sessions each week and 1 brief high-intensity interval training or sprinting every 7 to 10 days. Number 5, eat dinner at a reasonable time, at least 3 hours before heading off for bed. If you feel the need for some starchy carbs, this is the meal for it. But you know me, I'm a paleo gal, so stick to that sweet potato, stay away from the grains. Number 6, start winding down at least 1 hour before sleep. It's best to establish a consistent bedtime routine that calms your nervous system down. This is why I recommend all my clients make tapping a part of their bedtime routine because it helps shift the nervous system into parasympathetic mode. Number 7, get to sleep by 10:30 p.m. Complete this checklist every day for 7 consecutive days. Then DM me on Instagram and tell me about your experience. To learn more about my thyroid reboot method and how you can rebuild your thyroid function from the ground up, click on the link that I provide in the video notes. If you're watching the replay on Instagram, just head to my bio link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can let me know by liking it, subscribing to my channel, or sharing it with a friend who has Hashimoto's. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I do my best to answer each one. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.